Hey, it's Marko, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to reset WhatsApp encrypted password. So what you want to do is go to WhatsApp, then click on settings. From there you want to click on chats and chat backup. Now you have this end-to-end subscription that it's not turned on. You need to come here, turn it on, and then it will be turned on. And if you later want to reset it or turn it off, same thing, come here and you will have an option to turn it off and basically to reset it. And that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.